Zambezi from
Zambezi to Limpopo, may leaders be exemplary, and may the Almighty protect and bless our land.
How do you still that as well? Yeah. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Can you hear me, guys? Rolling well. Okay, I'll start to introduce myself. I want to thank Sir Maita Basa. First of all, I need to my name. My name is Tendai Simbai. That's my name. Okay. As long as I'm going to do nothing to fire and tell you town. Sorry, I want to make my phone noise. Okay, guys, keep quiet. Keep the waters. Doctor, my teacher was this way, so I found out who is the Macadi what it is. But what teacher what you want to remember, and the teacher will have. Why row teacher? Ngatinyarare mutwe zvandakutaura hatina nguva ndatokumbira mukuru wechikoro wanipe nguva nditoatenda hatina nguva yekutambisa handiti ndakuende ndafara kuona dzidziso Mr. Viano pano ndafara ndo matishedu vakadzidzisa pano kuya makaita basa okay. Chokutanga ndakuindochisa myself and my name is Tendai Simbai. I'm a Zimbabwean and I grew up in the gate of Chishungiza. Don't call me sir, don't call me sir, call me Tendai. Now, I'm not here to be a drama. I'm not a drama. I'm not a comedian. I come to give you something in your life. That's why I'm here. I'm not a drama. I'm not a comedian. I come to give you in life. And I can't see the passport of now. Grade 1 to 7. Pamberi school, grade 1 to 7, Pamberi school Mushitungwiza. Form 1 to Form 4, ndakadzidza pachikoro panapa. And ndakuenda ku university and ndakuenda ku college. Inini ndakanga class grade vesine ma class aita 1 1 1 2 up to 110. Inini ndaendere class mu 49 yemado 4. Tera munzwe, tera zvandokutaura. Ndoda kuya kunokupai something. Munoseka namaseka mumanyarara. Ndiro hatina nguva kukupai. Pandaikura hapana munhu ainokutaurira zvandokutaurira izvi. Pandaidzidza pano. Pandaidzidza muchikoro medu. Tenge tine magroup 1, group 4, group up to 6. Indaigara pagroup 6 yemado 4. Patatora manhamba tine 40 class ini ndairowa number 36. I want to be an engineer. I want to play sport. Pandai tamba sport coach wangu anti Mr. Mwanachi. Basketball coach pana. Ndasamba kwanika kupina mu first team. Ndagara pa bench. Asa naunganisa. Ndandudawra. Ndichikura takakura mumba mwenge mule wana. Wakomana 7 wasikana 2 amai mwechete baba ndio wasenza. Chamuloti life yao mai jamuru kuita izvi. Takakula life iri hard. Mama birthday edu. My birthday baba dati gochike nyama rice. Ndio birthday yangu. Taiona ma TV black and white pa next door. Baba wangu asingakwanise kutenga TV. Taito sura skolo. My school fees, I'm rungoit. Hapana zvachinji. Imi yenye life yati ugisi. Pamba pedu panga panga gate kakadai. Zairo kuti baba wangu wasina mnyati okutenga mota. Taiuya kuti taifamba kuchikoro tine zvigamba taitozviro zvigamba zvomunozva zvigamba andika but akukupfunza mubvunzo pakati penyu mungosimudza roko wanofunga kuti wapfumi kumba kwaosimudza roko ngosimudza sanyari simudza roko sanyari ko wanofunga kuti murombo simudza maoko sanyari andikuseka anofungudza murombo simudza maoko anoudza mupfumi ndiye simudza maoko. Very good. Very good. Very good. Maita mushe. Andika. Pakati penyu hapana mupfumi hapana murombo. Amai wako ndio mupfumi, amai wako baba wako ndio murombo. Iyo hausi. Uyondora. Wakaona munhu ane cell phone yakanaka kana ane battery yakanaka kunda iwewe. Tell him it's not you, it's your father. You understand? Tarabas. Andika. Wakaona uchifamba usina socks. Andika. Usanyare. It's not you. It's your father. Now ndakutaurira pandakatangira manje. Ndazviona kuti ndikuda kutamba sport. Ndazviona kuti ndakatanga kutamba panapa apa. Ndakatanga kungopinzwawo. Apa ndenge ndakareba, ndakanyanya kuonda. Asika problem yakatanga kundiona ndakatanga kushaya boots. Ndakatanga kupfeka size, pandakatanga kupfeka panapa ndakutanga ndenda kupinda size 14. Ndakati baba kabhutsa handina ndakutamba sport. Baba wangu akandiudza kuti sport school first. Engesiro mhosva yababa. Bosi baba vaikwanisa kuona mari yekutipo chikafu wana 8 mumba. Wakona kuzoonawo mari yekutanga basketball. Yekutamba sport. Apemba asina. Zvandakazoita manje. Ndakanotsegura pharmacy kubhata. Apa taenda kwachikwana. Pachikwana munovaziwera. Apa ndinotsenga tai. Ndatsenga tai. Apa ndariita pasi pano kuti iite so. Ndakatanga kutamba basketball neso. Vamwe vachiniseka pandangoti nini ka, they tell me it's my secret. It's not me who's poor, it's my father. Okay? Ndakatanga kutamba sport yangu. Ndakatanga pano. Pandatanga kutamba pama Christmas. Wana watengerwawo zvimaputsu dzakanaka. Ini ndanga kusakwana putsu pasi baba wangu wasingakwanise kuzonotengera kuna na bhata. Nekuti bhata yakadaidzira kuti kana muda kuti mwana wenyu apfeke bhutsu munotanga matotenga chimodi chinogadzisa chii. Apa baba wangu haachakwanisika mari yacho waisenza waiwana kuti vakatokufoa zvakadaro. The only thing now chendichasari kuva ndiri manje to pray to God. Listen guys, anyone here, if you want something, listen to me. The only thing to live for me now, bata yachanditengesere bhutsu. Baba wangu hasina mari. Everyone, but I want to play sports. I want to do my hair. The only thing to pray to God. I have to pray to God every day. God, can you please? God, you sure we can feed myself. From a Christmas, I'm watching the boots, but I got good boots like I say and I say. Come on, my grasshopper in the own. Which I got to tango fake and very latest yandy. Yandy Mesua, Yandy Tendai, Magazine. Doing any latest young. That's it. Ndakatanga kuzoona basketball ndakaenda kuarcade. Ndakaenda kuda basket. Ndichiri pano paticha neudofo hwangu kana maticha wangu anoziva. Ndinge sina msikazi wamclass. Homework ndaita. Ndaiteerera. Patangorohwa panapa ndairohwa apa patakanonoka takarohwa chikoro chese apa. Handiti takarohwa chikoro chese tanonoka pane mawenizi aya takarohwa. Asi maticha angu ndaiteerera. Handiti ka wamwe wenyu mukati umu ava muri kuona maticha aya esaya. Hapana chavanoda. Wada kuyamura imini. Munonzora hapana chavanoda. They are there for you guys. Anyway, ndatanga kuteerera ndakatanga kuenda kuAcadia. Ndoda kuti gaga life yangu hamuna time, mudaina nodzidza sakupedzere nguva. Ndakatanga kutambura ndowangu ndipinzo ma 5 minutes muno mwana ati tambo ma 5 minutes. Ndakasenda kuAcadia. Ndaenda kuAcadia. Ndakutaurira manje akata kuAcadia. Ndasvika ikoko. Kune makarati pane akabisa paAcadia pa. Wakantaisa, how are you? What's your name? Ini nechilanguage changu chokugete kuno my name is Tendai Simbai. what do you want? What do you want? I just come to play basketball. Upon that is a machine, and former student, as you tell you one, with a land, my sneaker, and I'm my teacher on us, and you sneak. In your language, in the man, it's not who's boy, my father. It's boy. You know. But the problem now, for everyone who wants to do anything, that's what and do whatever you want to train. Now, so not train a basketball. I'm not going to basketball. But go up and up, I think it's in a basketball too. One, my toes will be a kind of chow. Can I not go and jump one and train? Second, I got in. I'm going to know basketball. So I got so I got it, man. I got 5 kg hoop. After I told him kaka, I tell you, Mom kaka, and I put it 6. After that, I'm carrying 5 kg hoop. Next 5 kg hoop, I'm there sunga. After that, kaka. I'm not going to kaka. What I was question, look at my church with you. Sakara tanga bouncer. Sakana kind of early. The Takano say, kuna shooter. Sakana can all queer, do the basketball in the paper, okay, but the yard doesn't do it and do it. And Sako when a basketball, you talk about you. Because one out in common and go good. Wakatanga on this own team. Pantraking that over, man, for what? Asim na matongo that baba, then I'm going to put Bussin say, in the corner. Do it a gaga life young Boziga at that time. Do it a Ukunchenda. Pandaga Zero good in the door for Bachkorobana. I think we a mechanic. So every Saturday, the Sunday, and a Pasquana. Kuno Zira, Motor. Like a sugar panama, and I got him down to Kumbiro, but I'll get the motor panapa. I can't what I don't want to get I have a father down and clean like a motor. I can talk on this. I see man after every 2 days, I end up 10 cents. 10 cents. Then I can have a go. You can chicken cake changu. And then you start with 5 cents. If 5 cents, that's chicken cake. You don't go 5 cents chicken cake. Doing 5 cents do your pan up. Do your pan. But open up and go to the Ugundu Tizrachi. Katira motor. Ponda is on the door for class. As you go my ABC, you guys are this wrong. But that's Katrachi motor. And then you go. Do you know what's going on? You want to make my for food in the choir. Do that, that's on the anyway, Mario Wakapindu, I was to a Pindura. The president told Bana, Wamwana. Listen, guys, there's some charity. The president told Bana, the guy was out put an out of my own level. You are better than me. You are better than me. The guy put an comments in the shoulder. C, the D. Forever. The Buddha ne comments nation. I'm going to be better than me. The Buddha ne comments nation. I can go to the cafe for you. Saka, Asandra, Baba, the Gadi Kunamari. My Indian dog got the remote. Chin girls are as waiting a man. Like my apprentice are a good year. Toyota to my apprentice. Can I just do my teacher for one of them? Say, now go. Kugomo, kunoze kwatenda kugomo. Unasata tu post office, pale pasata post office yanzi. Pane Toyota mama chinya na sabanga amazi. Ngere kugomo. Good my apprentice, but my apprentice another munane 5 O levels, including math and English. Muterera, including what? Math and English. Ndipo pandakati ndudakita chi mechanic. Ndakaenda ipapo ndakasikono nyoresa. Saka one ma English ni math nyoresa yapo. Apanda nyoresa stara Tendai Simbai. Azaganzi naye ko ka strip kana marzawa sawa pale ka strip ka piwa mnoka amene mchikachi upiwa bana kantaka kauya akanzi ko strip ya weru kana kasa mabubi kuya patanda kapipa na wapi tena kwa kupewa kwa ndio baba jatu kwini andi sasa pana kuzoena after ndapiwa chi ndapata mabuku anenda darasa pana sasa ndashika ipapo manje after awani ma olive boy one nigga now one ma olive si one ma 6 in Zina but the reason tere mungu mabemba le style ndashika manje pale takunobvunzwa manje kuti ichi chinonzi chi ndasimuza roko ndakati spark plug akanzi oh takubvisa oil ndakati filter ndakubvisa ma filter akanzi ma spotlight is 17, is 15, is 16. And anyway, what was your good? Just not on a pass. wakashamsika wakandibvunza kuti watanga apprentice chichaitika. Ndakati baba hapana zvinhu zviri kuitika. Ndaenda kuna baterere munhu pane munhu andaikumbira uno asingazivi. Ndakaenda kuna baba ndakati baba ndiri kukumbirawo bhutsu dzedzi nekuti ndiite makanika. Ndio mnawatandaiza kuna samatenga. God. Ndasvika manje. Mazuva acho koko kune mabhazi kana muchiri maiziva ainzi mabhazi ainzi ma-United. Handiriya. Taikwira ma-6 cents kuenda kuma-12 cents mahafu. Handiriya. Saka Toyota yakabva yaunza Toyota yakabva yakuti tikuda pa-college apati tikuda ma-apprentice mufundisi wangova sekujoina Toyota ma-forklift. Ndo iye yakaindodzisa ma-forklift kuti maitwa ma-apprentice muZimbabwe. Saka wakabva watora yakanza tendai endawo ini ndaendeswa. Tenda iwiki yekutanga second week tendai ndaendawo. Abva ndaenda kwekuye manje ndakaenda kongo mune murungu 1 nomwe mukarati star 3 because ndiwainzi wakapasa maningi wakapasa maningi. Handika ende ndine confidence after asvika iko kutoyota akapiwa. Saka kana uchitanga apprentice unopiwa hanzi journeyman. Amene chiri kuitwa mazuva kwanzi journeyman. Iwe obwanzi osenza na journeyman. Saka ndakatanga kusenza ndapiwa munhu ndaisenza naye. Saka tichita basa pape tichikirina zona ine ndadzidza kwachikwana. Ndakukirina chineso. Akanzi ukwazidza kuti saka same week wakanyora tsamba kucollege kwangu kunoti tikuda vanhu vakaita satendai kana wana wakawana. Please. Apa manje college haisachapiwa maresults yangu. Haichataura kuna kuti hatina maresults. Zvakangoramba zvakadai zvikandapedza apprentice. Tera zvada. Ndakanodirwa kunzi na 4th kunzi graduate. Tera zvizvo. Aita sei ndakato graduate ndakapiwa class 1. Ndisina ma-O level. Tera kwandiri kuenda nekwandiri kubva. Ndapedza kudaro zvapera izvo. Zvezve basketball ndikuda kutamba basketball. Ndakatamba kwakids yakwekwe ndakatamba kwakids. Wanawo kunzi asi ma-scholarship aiuya. Kunzi apiwe wanhu wanoenda kuna America. Isu anatendai taivaone. Bosi taigara kupi kuchitungwiza. Nerimwe asi handa kushota kutamba kutara kuna Samatenga kuti baba ndinezei kuda bhutsu. Nerimwe zuva wakawakomana. Ndakazonzi aiwaka mwandiona nziya kuAmerica. Okay, kuAmerica. Saka ndakazozimba ndaenda kupi? Ku-UK. Ndaenda ku-UK. Ndisvika ikoko ndichibva kuAfrica. Ndakuti akaka hatina time. Ndimanzwa munhu ataura ka. Hatina time. Ndakazosvika kuAfrica. Ndasvika kuAfrica ku-UK ndichisvika. But the reason pandaiona ma-TV. Taingozwa kuAmerica neku-UK kuna vanhu vakaita sei? Wakareba. Ma-TV taiona ma-black and white pa-next door. But pandakasvika ndakazoshamsika ndakwamhuri cheti makadii. Wakatira hatina bhutsu dzangu dzinoita sei dzinokwana. Ndandaikumbiradze. But makambani akazotanga kutondirwira kundigadzirira chi? Bhutsu. Wanzi iwe anzi handidi kuti upfeke bhutsu dzedu tikubhadhara. Chinzwa. Each company aida kuti ndipfeke bhutsu dzacho ndiro sei dzibhadhare kupfeka chi? Bhutsu dzacho. Saka anyway ndizvo zvakazondiita Mwari warume. Mwari wanoita sei? Wane simba. But imimi ndauya panapo wamwe wenyu wachaita sandakaita inini. Mchaenda kuAmerica, mchaenda kupi. I want you to come back to help other people. Back home. And ndisida kuti kana mazoita zvinhu mozoya muchirishanyira kunoku makuuya makapfeka motikari makuti do. All of you do better than me. Okay? So I want you to say, guys, listen. If you are very important man, the doctor. I know about the headmaster or not time, but talking about the doctor already. That's very important. Pandakasvika kuAmerica, ndisvike ku-UK, ndasvika ndakapiwa. And what do you want to eat? Like anything. Ndapiwa chicken. Chicken, full chicken. Akawakudya, aingobva wachinyopfora. Inini pawakudya pai. Ndakadya bhonzo sebhonzo. Handirakurasa. Do you know why? Because ndakati kumba kwedu amai wedu taidya huku tiri family yese, including waenzi, handirase chinhu. Saka ndasvika ikoko ndakaona pane bhutsu dzairaswa. Uta zvandara. Taidya huku tese family, including waenzi. Apa chaita sei? chairaswa. Saka ndakuda kurasa chii. Ndasvika ndakutamba basketball ndakaona vanhu vachiita kana matamba basketball yasine sweat yaikandwawo. Saka ndakasvika muchanging room makazara mauniform akakandwa. Ndakarohwa nehana. Ndakati kumusha kwedu izvi zviri very important. Ndakati ndikuzvida. Ndakazvitora ndakatanga kutumira kumamisha kwese kwandaigara. Ndozvitora ndakati ndozvida. Because hey, I'm not a commander. You never get this place in your life. If you get not, I'm not here for commander. I'm coming to help you. I don't need anything from you. These teachers don't need anything from you. We want something from them. Do you understand? Yes. I'm not a comedian. I come here to help you. Take this story as serious in your life. So now I see everything back home, back there. They take life for granted. I'm big to come to give to you. So today, now we are panel paskoro panapa. Dragupa the basketball kit. Yeah, man, is not one here. My boss, I think for the one here. Do you understand? So the only thing that I'm going to tell you, if Tendai can do it, I can do it. Everyone can do it. Yes, I can do it. I can do it. I want you to respect these teachers. So I want you to respect these teachers. Respect your parents. Respect these teachers. Stay away from alcohol and drugs. Don't even smoke. Don't even drink. Do you understand? I don't drink. I don't smoke. All the people I play basketball, they used to drink, they're no more there. All the people I used to play with there, they used to smoke, there's no more there. Don't smoke, don't drink. Do you understand? Yes. Promise that. Say, I promise. Promise that. I promise. Promise that. I promise. Respect these teachers and headmasters and everyone who can help you. Promise that. I promise. The other thing, just tell me that I'm not poor as my parents. I'm not rich as my parents. Do you understand? Let's go. Thank you guys, I appreciate it. So now that good organization, okay? You know my brother. Okay. I'm gonna give 2 for this type of balls, okay? Okay. So okay, guys, listen. Okay. Hey, Listen, guys. Listen. Don't drink. You might have, and remember there's God there. God is there. Okay, do you understand? Kana makamwanzwa kuti pana akazwa kune marombe akasimudzwa naMwari. Munovaziva? Tini rombe rachora makuona. You are witness that rombe. Munondara. Tini rombe. And ndidi kuti kana makazoita zvamuchaita umwanye muchaita maminister. Wamwanye muchaita mapresident. Wamwanye muchasvika kwasina kusvika. Mouya kuno makushainira. Mouya kuno makutakidai. Makuendeka watch kachita so. Uchinada. Thank you. Okay. Ndakuda kusumudza mukuru wechikoro andipfumidza ndiwe pano. Pasina mukuru wechikoro dandirambidza kuuya pano sikawe pano. Saka kuti mese muombere mukuru wechikoro maita basa sei. Terai. Muombere kuti maita basa sei. Let's do it. Patite anduzvizwa. Maita basa sei. Terai. Hey. Takupa pamba pega pana baba. Andika, ndochishona chedu. Andika, takupa zvinhu kuna baba wedu zvadzauya nazvo. Mutaura zvinokutaura. Saka ndo zvatakupa kuna baba wedu. Vakuru, ndimakadzikisa pano. Anditi, kutenda zvamakatiita. Zvamakatiita.
We want to thank Tendai with the kind of donation that he has actually made for the school. Akakwanisa kutiyeukawo, ndoziva achigara achizotiyeukawo. Ene ndikuziva kuti wakuzonotamba imwe sport yaucharecognizwa kwete naTendai chete, asi nemumwe munhu achaona zvichaitwa naTendai, pangava pa YouTube, pangava pa WhatsApp, pangava pa Instagram, zvese zvichaonekwa zviripo zvaitwa naTendai. Tine former students akawanda akatamba naTendai who are doing well in America, who are doing well in UK. Tendai is now based in UK. He is a big basketball player. Vanotomurwira kuti vamugadzirire boots size 15. I know.
Size 19, 20 America.
Size 19, 20 America. Let's thank Tendai. Let us thank Tendai, the Zengeza 4-way. Let us thank Tendai, the Zengeza 4-way. Ice. Let's do it once more. Ice.
Basket is very simple. Basket is very simple, okay? What you need is to show how to pass. Anyone know how to pass? Show me how to pass. Okay, fair enough. You know how to pass. Come here. Come here. Okay. Pass to me. Yeah, pass to me. Okay. Basketball, we use our advantages. Okay? Let's say I'm tall or I'm short. Okay? If I'm passing to, I'm a tall guy. Come here. Come this guy. This guy is a tall guy. He's marking this guy. Okay, this is a tall guy. Come here. Go there. Come to me. Come to me. Guy, no. This is a tall guy. How can I pass to a short guy versus a tall guy? Very good. Come and touch the mark. Bam, you know what I mean? And then the bounce pass. Okay, there's a toe guy here. Here's a toe. Is that okay? Okay, so go there. Okay. Here's marking him. Mark this. The only thing with advantage, I pass him like that. No wonder. You know what I mean? There's nothing in do. Okay. So you guys, I want you to show how you pass this time. Okay? Okay. Make the line. Go on the line, the white line. Make a space or look at this. Make a position like this. You guys go in the line. One line there. Make a position. Feel free. Okay. Walk inside. Okay. Okay, fine. Okay. Here's the coach. Look. I want the pass. I'm going this direction. Okay. You don't want to pass him. Pass. What you need? Show what you want to do. You understand? Show what you want to do. So when you go join this line, and you guys join this line. You understand? So what you need to do, I want these guys to use this. You guys just do half. Half of you, okay, like this. Okay? Half of you go there. You are using this side, okay? You guys are using this side, okay? Half of you come here, look this one. Half of you go there, look there. Halfway here, guys. That's it. And you guys, I'm going to side you. And that's side you, and that's side you. I'm going to side you. Very good. That's how you come on. I want to talk about halfway. Fast, guys. Fast the ball and move fast. Go back. Yeah, fast. Go back. Go ahead. Okay. Go, come back. Start. Go out. I don't want to pass another way on the score. Run it. Lay up. And then, you know lay up before. Good. You use that one. Let's go. Go. Stop everyone. Stop. Listen. If you're playing basketball, we talk. If you're playing basketball, we talk. Listen what I'm saying. Okay, come with ball. Look what I'm doing. Okay, I mean business. Yes, there. Okay, boom. I talk. I want the ball. I want to go. I want to score because I'm hungry. I want you to talk. You understand? Because you're hungry. Okay, you're hungry. Okay, let's go. Stop. Ball. That's the pass. Pass. Yes, boy, let's go. Stop. Come here, guys. This side ball there, do not go. Give me the ball. Show me how to shoot, you guys. Just go, no. Go inside. Go on and go and shoot. Okay, go. Someone go. Stop it there. Okay. When you are shooting basketball, you know that black thing? That one. You need to aim that. Okay? Because if you miss, there's a rebound. If you aim this, inside there. Okay, that's that right there. Okay, it's always in. Okay, if you miss, okay, what's gonna happen? If you miss, you guys are gonna come and you're gonna come and put it. You know what I mean? If you miss. Okay, but if you do like this, try to aim here. Try to aim this. Try to aim there. Okay? Try to aim this. Okay? Try to aim there. Okay? We try everywhere. We try to aim there. We need to aim. Try to aim that way. Okay? Let's go. What is it? Okay. Come here, coach. What you are doing is very simple. Okay? I want you to show me how to do just one pass overhead. Okay. If he's gonna give you chest pass, overhead, I'll give you bounce pass. Okay. If I give you bounce pass, possibly bounce pass. If you give you overhead, give you overhead. I'm in charge of bounce pass. In charge of what? Overhead. In charge of what? So you go look at this, you look at this, you look at this. So I do bounce pass. Okay. Give me bounce pass. Good. Bounce pass. Give me bounce pass. Bounce pass. Give me bounce pass. Give it. So now when you're doing the bounce pass, your leg. You know what I mean? You know, you get up it. Yes. You know. You get up there. Yes. You don't get it. Look. Be ready. Pass. You know what I'm doing? Draw. Yes. No bounce pass. Okay. Good. Look. I'm not doing this. Don't do that. I'm just there. Okay. Yes. You know what I mean? Okay. 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 Stop. I need to see if you're concentrating. Coach, go there. I want to see if you're concentrating. Go there. Before I pass you, okay? I'll do like coach. I'll give a coach example, okay? I'll pass you to coach. Okay? Fine? Okay? Yeah. Before I pass that, get ready. Let's go. It's easy, huh? It's easy. Now, stop coaches. Okay. If you grab the hands and you don't get the pass, you sit down. If you catch the ball, before you grab the hands, you have to sit down. You understand? Okay, I'm starting now. Are you ready? Are you ready? Be ready. I need to show if you are ready. You need to clap the hands before you what? You catch. If you clap the hands without the ball, you sit. Okay, I'm starting now. Coach, just keep on. Okay, I'm doing by myself. I'm starting. Be ready. Okay. Good. Be ready. Be ready, guys. Stop. Sit down. Guys, I don't have time. Tendai, who's going to win a given ball? Up. Whoever's got the last one, I'm going to give his ball to himself. Okay? I'm gonna leave at the left time now. If you win this time, you are getting your own ball. If you win this time, you are getting for your own ball. I want to see the one man standing. He's gonna win the ball by himself. It's yours. I'm gonna give you a ball. It's yours. Okay. Now it's a fight. Listen. Coaches, do you have anyone who knows to play ball, who wants to play basketball, who knows there's a player that doesn't live there, out there? Yeah, out there, just people there, your team mates. Or there's only your team mates. But fine, okay, guys, listen. Listen, guys. I cannot play the basketball. I don't want anyone to force it. Okay. Guys, listen. If you win, I'm gonna give you basketball yourself. It's yours for good, and you remember me. But if you lose, that's it. I don't have time to do a lot. Okay? Are you ready? Yes. Are you ready to win? Yes. Are you ready to win? Yes. It's gonna be fair. One basket. That's it. It's gonna be yours. It's gonna be yours. This was good for yours. If you win, I'm gonna give you basketball for yours for good. Okay? That's it. It's gonna be yours. That's it. That's it. Finish. It's gonna be yours. That's it. 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 It's gonna be yours. It's gonna be yours. It's gonna be yours. That's it. Feel it. Feel it. Feel it. It's gonna be yours. Don't be scared. Alright. That's gonna be yours. Okay, that's gonna be yours. And I will sign it. Okay. It's gonna be yours. It's gonna be yours. Okay, it's gonna be yours. I'll say yours. Okay. Yours. It's gonna be fair. It's gonna be fair, guys. It's gonna be yours. Coaches, if you wanna join, join. It's up to you. If you wanna join, coaches, I'm happy to see coaches to join because we feel like it. Coaches join it. If you win, it's gonna be yours. See the balls there. Coaches join them. All the coaches, I want them to join. Okay, it's gonna be yours. Feel it. What's the time? Feel it. Yours. Feel it. Yours. Yours. Okay, I'm starting now. This is it. Everyone keep quiet. Guys, everyone keep quiet. This is it. If you win this, I'll give you the ball. It's gonna be fair. It's gonna be fair. You grab and you catch. Don't grab before the ball. If you grab got the ball, you're gonna sit. And I need to tell you why I do this. Okay, are you ready, guys? Are you ready? Yes. Are you ready? Yes. I'm starting. The reason, guys, I'm telling you this simple, I explain to everyone. When you walk a mirror, be ready. Make sure the boys come to you, you grab. Okay, make sure your eyes are focused. Eyes are focused. Your arms are ready. Don't just grab before the ball. Make sure the ball is coming. And you grab and catch it. Okay. You know what? Listen. Guys, if I were you, I'd tell you that don't talk, there's no time to talk here. There's no time to talk here. Don't talk about this ball. These balls, you are on the league. English league, American league. You can have it. Okay, I'm starting now, okay? Okay, guys, we're good. We're doing well, guys. We're doing well. That's good, guys. Good. That's it. You know what? You're good. You're doing good. You know what I mean? That's good. You need to see what's going on. Up. Down. You're doing very good. You know, every time you do this. Hold each other hand. Hold each other hand. You stay there. Stay there. Now come here. Okay, stay there. Watch him see the minute. Over there. Stay there. Okay. Guys, listen. This is it. I'm gonna do this is gonna be now. If you survive this, you're gonna do it. You understand? Ready, can feel ready every time. See what's gonna happen. Okay. Are you good, lady? Done well, guys. You see what happened? This is it. Guys, this is it. This is it. Guys, this is it. You guys, finish. Finish. It's gonna be yours. Feel it. It's gonna be yours, man. Feel it. It's gonna be yours, man. Feel it. It's gonna be yours, man. Ready, guys? Are you ready? Focus. Don't concentrate about anything. We need to see the ball. Don't worry about anything. See the ball. It's fair and free. You good. You know what I told you are good. Man is ready. Here's the ball. Okay, let's go. Okay, yeah, another one. You see what she does? She created before you catch. You see what she does? She created before you. Sit down now. Guys, the reason I've done this, listen. Guys, shut up. Shut up. The reason I've done this, that's what shut up, man. The reason I've done this, that's what happened in life. You start everything together, you think you are the good, you think you can make it. The people you think they don't make it, they can make it in life. That's what happened in life. You have everything in your life, and you think you can do it than anyone. There's no one special in this world. You are the only one special. Look, we start the whole team. Look who's standing now. That's what happened in life. So don't let anyone tell you you cannot do it in anything in life. Don't let anyone tell you you cannot make it. Who knows these guys who are here? No one knows. You think you can do it? They think. Okay, so here's the story, guys, okay? Don't worry about what I'm saying. Concentrate about this. Understand? Look, we are starting. Okay. Take your time. Okay, you go. Let's go. This is it, guys. Don't worry about what I'm saying. I can say this the whole year. I can say this the whole year. Okay, I can see it the whole year. Okay. You see now, that's the last one. Okay. You know what? This is very good. This is very good. This is it. This is it. It's playing basketball now. We are really playing basketball. We know about what's going to happen now. We're really playing basketball. You know what I mean? So you're going to play basketball, you know what I mean? Everything life is like guys, up. Sit down, everyone. Sit down, everyone. Up, guys, up. Clapping for this, okay? For you to win because of him. For you to lose, to fight, you always, in every fight you lose. But this fight, you say it's again, okay? You're going to get something, okay? Still get the ball. Still get the ball. I'm going to give you a ball again. So this is it. You know what I mean? So I don't have time to go, okay? This ball's for the school. I'm going to give this each. You're going to have to give you a ball, you're going to give you a ball. So you need to learn about this lesson. What did you learn about this occasion? What did you learn about this lesson? Show me. Focus. And everything in life is possible. Understand? Everything in life is possible. Wamunofundzira kuti aya ndo asina zvinhu ndo anozokuchengeta emangwana. Ungataziva kuti uyu achawina nawini yani. Handitika. So zvinoita mulife. Apana munhu anokuudza kuti awite sei haugoni. So let's do together, let's make a team and then you follow me and give you both, okay? Let's make it here. Let's make it here. Whoa, let's go to hands here. Okay. Okay, guys. Okay. Tawanda, come and make one team here, okay? You need to say, if you say 1, 2, 3, then you say Zengeza high 4, team, okay? Okay. If I say 1, 2, 3, 4, then it's 5, and this is 3, okay? 1, 2, 3, then Zengeza high 4, what? Team. 1, 2, 3. Zengeza high 4, team! Well done, guys, okay? Let's have one picture, one photo together, put it there. Okay, okay.
Nabora, please. They'll bow.
I want to say that I can do the best one because you should anyway, and I think you know where to go. You can do the best one because otherwise. Oh, you boy, don't say no.
Kuya kan? Kuya. Bo.
Go pa. I can hear 2 hands, but the thing I'm scared of. It's very light. And stop the ring. Don't be getting it. Give you 2 hands. So, but why is that much fun? Once the guys got you, when you go, if you're dancing, don't dance. When you go, hurry up. Hold the ball. I hold the ball, hurry up. I don't care. Guys, Baba, just go straight away. It's there. What from sort of power? Because you are not going to you cannot escape. Be hungry. And you go jump or muchacho, be hungry. And you know, you don't promise that grandma, he ring me. And the boss in the come when you are tidy. And you got tidy.